Good evening. Here is the 4 p.m. tropical storm update.
Cristobal moving slowly over the Bay of Campeche. Heavy rain and life-threatening flooding threat continues. A tropical storm warning continues along the coast of Mexico from Campeche westward to Puerto de Veracruz. Tropical storm conditions are affecting the coast within portions of the warning area. As of 4 p.m. CDT, Tropical Storm Cristobal, pronounced krees-TOH-bahl, was centered over the Bay of Campeche about 140 miles, 230 kilometers west-southwest of Campeche, Mexico. It's moving toward the south near 3 miles per hour, 6 kilometers per hour. On the forecast track, the center will cross the southern Bay of Campeche coast on Wednesday, move inland over eastern Mexico Wednesday night and Thursday, and then move back over the Bay of Campeche Thursday night and Friday. Maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 85 miles, 140 kilometers, from the center. Some increase in strength is possible until the center crosses the coast. Gradual weakening is forecast while the center remains inland, but restrengthening is expected after Cristobal moves back over water Thursday night and Friday. Cristobal is expected to produce total rain accumulations of 10 to 20 inches with isolated maximum amounts of 25 inches over parts of the Mexican states of Tabasco, Veracruz, and Campeche. Cristobal is also expected to produce total rain accumulations of 10 to 15 inches over northern Chiapas, Quintana Roo, and Yucatan. Additional rainfall of 10 to 15 inches, with isolated amounts of 25 inches, is expected along the Pacific coasts of Chiapas, Guatemala, and El Salvador. Some of these Pacific locations received 20 inches of rain over the weekend, and storm total amounts of 35 inches are possible. Rainfall in all of these areas may produce life-threatening flash floods and mudslides. For storm information specific to your area, please monitor products issued by your National Meteorological Service. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 10 p.m. CDT with an intermediate advisory at 7 p.m. CDT. www.hurricanes.gov.
There was a 4 p.m. advisory update on Tropical Storm Cristobal. I will have the 7 p.m. advisory on social media. Please follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram for the latest information. And tune in to Quick Weather today, tomorrow, for the latest hurricane track information.